All right, guys, welcome to a special video here at the Fife Arms. We're just leaving our room now. We're in the Stalker. They all have unique names. You'll notice the artwork and everything. This hotel it's probably #1 in my list of hotels of all time. Nicole back there looking great. I got my Harris tweed jacket. Had to buy that in the Isle of Harris. Thank you. So we're gonna go have dinner tonight at the Stag's Leap here. Reservations are a must. And then we're gonna go to Birdie's Bar. It's the whiskey bar here, the decor, everything. We will show you everything in the hotel. Come along. All right, check it out. We're excited. Actually, Tom Kitchen was here 2 nights ago for the Queen. Just missed out, unfortunately. All right, beautiful little place here. All right, the gluten-free red, and Nicole did a gluten-free tomato and bisque soup. Looks good. All right, the beet salad here's got some goat cheese in there. Beautiful presentation, and the chicken and leek pie with a side of mashed potatoes. Don't mind the butter. I'm enjoying this with a beautiful Beaujolais, and it is fantastic. Wow. All right, this is one of the tasting rooms. We're actually on our way to Birdie's now. Dinner was fantastic. Nicole's beet salad, fresh, farm to table. My chicken leek, wow. Not gluten-free, unfortunately, but I had to cheat, you know. Got a little outdoor seating area. We're going to Birdie's. Birdie's is this way. Whiskey Lounge, must make a reservation. This place looks epic, I'm telling you. When you see what we're gonna see, you're just gonna die. I mean, this is, oh look, Irish Wolfhound. All right, so let's see what Birdie's is all about. All right, these are what we're tasting. This is very good. Oh, yours is gone already. Wow.
But here, let me turn the bottle around. There you go.
But yeah, so there was, so 1833 it was distilled, and then 12-year-old flowering fauna.
All right, look at this one. What color on here? Wow. And Nicole's actually doing the old Macallan 10. Wow, and it tasted really good. All right, there it is. I mean, this thing is ridiculous. All right, so highlight Jim McEwen special from Braemar. Yes, this one was delicious. The Port Ascag, no longer around. That one was, that's what I'm drinking right now. Nicole, lift up lift up this one. Oh, the Nakendo. Look at that age. Look at that. Ooh, baby. That was fantastic. Don't mind this. I just wanted a quick Irish dram. This has been amazing. I don't even know how to the knowledge here from the staff and the selection has been fantastic. Some bottles from 1950, 1940. Yeah. Amazing. All right, good morning. We survived Birdie's. What an experience. Anyways, we're gonna get breakfast and finish this video out at the Fife Arms, trying to show you even more amazing stuff here. So let's finish out the video and let's get breakfast. All right. Looking good. All right, last day in Scotland, had to do the Lorne. This does have gluten. We did the gluten-free bread though. fried egg, and it's got the brown sauce. Nicole just did gluten-free bread, simple scrambled eggs, but they look like Nicole's ones. Nicole does the best eggs. All right, guys. That Lorne, I know I didn't do it on roll, kill me. It was probably one of the best I've had. The brown sauce was epic. So this is, without a doubt, one of the best, craziest rooms here. You can see the original Picasso painting on the wall, the decor. Who is this room?
Elsa Schiaparelli, a big couture designer from the early 1900s to the late 1900s.
There you go. So this is just, I mean, it's epic. I'm rating this, personally for me, the best hotel I've ever stayed in. Just everything about it is exactly what I love. You can see it's a nice little foggy day. We are off to York. Thank you, Fife Arms, for an amazing stay. We'll see you on the next video.